Hello to everyone, I'm filming this video because I want to give you an update about what's going on. I've been a bit busy, let's say, finalizing the last things here on my RC model. As you saw, I was busy testing it a lot during the winter, and it's almost ready. I still miss some parts that are coming, and I will be ready to race for the first race of this season this Sunday. I'm excited about this debut. In the last days, as I said, I was busy working on the details together with a friend of mine. We were checking the weight distribution, and also he provided me some modified parts requested by myself. He's an exceptional modeler with a lot of skills, and he modified the aluminum steering blocks from X-ray in order to make them fit here on my RC Rally model. This is an expensive item. It cost me around 60 euro, but 1 year ago, around this period, I had a race in Czech Republic. As you know, Czech Republic is extremely competitive. I'm talking about RC Rally. I was fulfilling, let's say, my dream of being competitive there in an event. I was fighting for the 6th place overall, 3 stages till the end, and I hit a wall, breaking the steering arm, and I had to retire from the event. Because of that, during the season I bought these aluminum steering blocks, and now during the winter break I was able, let's say, to understand how to modify them in the best possible way and to hand them over to my friend, which modified them in a very good way. Talking about all the things that I changed of this model, I'm going to talk about them in a more detailed way in the upcoming video. Also, spoiler, for this season I'm going to use still the body of the Lancia Delta Integrale, but I spent around 10 hours in order to paint a new one with a completely new livery. So in the next video you will also see this new design that I hope you are going to like. So as I say, the model is almost ready. I'm excited for this new RC Rally season. 1 year ago I had my debut with X-Ray, and let's say the 2024 has been a year for me of testing and of understanding how a model like this behaves, because in 2021, 22 and 23 I was racing using a Tamiya XV01, and switching from Tamiya to X-Ray, it has been a huge change for me, because let's say one difference is that here on this model, if you change something on the weight distribution, camber, oil in the dampers, you really feel it. It's a very, let's say, it's a model that makes you feel the changes that you do. On the XV01, it was, let's say, not that it was not easy to understand the reaction of the model based on the things that you were changing, but the XV01 was reacting in a different way. If you were changing the, let's say, rear damper oil from 150 to 200, you were not noticing a lot of difference, but here each change that you make has an impact on the way the model behaves. So for this 2025, I want it to be a year where I will be able to be more competitive, but also for sure I will be more prepared to set up my car on the condition of the track. If it's raining, if it's sunny, if we are off-road, and so on. Guys, other thoughts. This is going to be my 3rd year here on YouTube. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm happy to share with all of you my, let's say, knowledge and the experience that I have during the races. Finally, I'm going to start to film them again. I really like to film my RC Rally races, and I like to share them with all of you. And yeah, the channel is growing. I'm happy to create content here on YouTube. And also I want to remind you that many of the videos that I made during these years are ideas that are coming by you. So if you want to see something about RC Rally, if you have some ideas in order to improve the channel, If you want to see something, if you want me to talk about some specific topics about RC Rally, just leave your ideas here on the comment section. And okay, I think that's all. Next video is going to be, let's say, the official presentation of my new RC Rally model, and then the RC season is starting and we are going to race. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for staying with me and see you next week for a new video. Ciao!